starting out with Wave Oven Recipes, and today I'm going to grill fresh chicken breasts in the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. So anytime you want to grill up some nice chicken breasts real nice and quick in a Power Air Fryer Oven Elite, you'll know how it's done as well. And so let's get started on that now. Okay, I got myself 3 fresh chicken breasts here. I'm going to be using some Mrs. Dash chicken grilling blend for some of the seasoning. Also got my handy dandy applewood smoked sea salt. Gonna grind on some fresh black pepper, and also going to be using some extra virgin olive oil. So to get started, we'll start with the oil. Just going to pour some over the top of each chicken breast. Just going to rub that in there with the brush here. Rub that on. Alright, just going to shake my Mrs. Dash over the top here. Sprinkle on some of my smoked sea salt. Alright, just gonna flip things over here. I'll have to do the pepper later. Pour some more oil on here. Just get that brushed in. Shake my Mrs. Dash. Get myself some sea salt on this backside. This applewood smoked sea salt. Alright, now I'm going to just flip these back over on the other side. Gonna grind myself some pepper on. I'm going to flip this over. Get this still off. I'm going to grind the pepper on this side. Alright, and I've got that all on there. Get these out of the way. And grab myself another glove real quick. Alright, gonna get this open. I'm gonna put my chicken on the middle rack here, not the top rack, on the middle rack. It's kind of bumping the side rails there of the rotisserie bars. And we're gonna go for, at 370, we're gonna go for 15 minutes. I'm going to let this go for 15 minutes at 370, and I'll bring you back and we'll do the next step in 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is up. I'm going to open up here. I like how you can swing that door open. Have a plate sitting right underneath. I'll set those down on that plate and just flip these chicken breasts over to the other side. And I'm going to stick them right back in on that middle rack again. And close it up. Kind of just give them 15 more minutes at 370. You just hit that power button and it just defaults right to 370, 15 minutes. So I'm going to let that run and I'll bring you back in just 15 minutes. All right, the last 15 minutes is up. That's a total of 30 minutes at 370 degrees, 15 on each side. So just gonna set it down there. Gonna get my iGrill 2 meat probe in. I'll just try this big middle one since he's in the center. And our meat temperature is going up to 97, 104, 111, 119. It's moving up in temp. So we'll see where this thing ends off at. 145. We're still moving at a pretty good clip. So probably gonna make the done temperature 153, 154. I'm gonna make sure my meat probe is in there real good. 156. It's saying get ready, but we're not quite there yet. So we're at 157 and we're holding 159. We're very close. We seem to be at 159 steady, 160. Just making sure my meat probe's in there good and deep. We're still holding at 160, 161. We'll just have to wait and see how this goes. 162. All right, we're moving up. As it rests, the temperature's moving up still. 163. But are we going to make it? 164, 1 degree to go, and we'll be at that 165. Can we get one more degree out of there? Just eke it out. Maybe just get over the goal line just a little bit. It's holding at 164, and we're still at 164. Let's just try and get our meat probe in that meat a little deeper. See if we can convince it. All right, I believe we're done. We're gonna turn this off. We have hit the goal. I mean, just at 165, just done. And I did do that at a 370 just to make sure that I don't overcook. I wanted to try and get, 165 without drying that meat out, which is what was achieved. So it was close, but we got to what we wanted to get to here. All right, so just going to take a piece. I'm going to take this big one on the side here. Well, actually, I'll take the one that I was testing since he was just over the goal and was in the center. He's a good one to test because he wasn't on the outside getting a lot of the outside heat. So as we cut in there, we see we're all done in there. Well, dripping a little bit of juice there, but we're all good and done. It's fully cooked inside. You see that other side fully cooked. So just going to cut a piece off here for taste testing. It's cutting very moist and very easy. So it's very moist. I'm gonna get that camera swung around and do a taste test. All right, so here's our fully cooked chicken breast in just 30 minutes. Now I'm just gonna take this piece here that I cut off and do a taste test with that. So, that side piece that I ate, it's pretty juicy, pretty tender, tastes good. So basically this is how you do grilled chicken breast in the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. And anytime you want to have some nice fresh chicken breast grilled up, it's very easy to do. Doesn't take a lot of time and it's not very hard. Just let the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite do its work and you're done. This recipe and many others are on superwaveovenrecipes.com. Hundreds of recipes there for different types of cookers, hundreds of different recipes. So check that out. Also, I'm on Twitter at Wave Oven Recipes. The Amazon shop is at amazon.com/shop/Wave Oven Recipes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends. Leave your comments. Tell me what you think. Subscribe to the channel, and good eating.